Ready to unlock the full potential of your PayPal account and say goodbye to payment hassles? First, head over to the PayPal website and log into your account with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, look for the Wallet tab, usually located at the top of the page, and click on it. This is where you manage your payment methods. On the Wallet page, you'll find an option to link a bank account. Click on that to start the process of adding your bank details. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your bank's routing number and your account number. You can typically find these on a check or by contacting your bank directly. Double-check these numbers carefully. After entering your details, PayPal will send to small deposits, usually less than $1 each, to your bank account. These micro deposits are used to verify that you are the account holder. Check your bank statement online or through your bank's app for these deposits. Once you find them, return to PayPal and enter the exact amounts of each deposit to confirm your account. Once confirmed, your bank account will be linked to your PayPal account. You can now use it to make payments, receive funds, and transfer money to and from your PayPal balance. Congratulations! You've successfully linked your bank account to PayPal, opening up a world of easier and more convenient online transactions. Enjoy!